Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your teacher Mariam Umar with the resource material of week 3 English language class 4. The book name is Cambridge Global English 4. We are doing unit 1 family circles. This week lesson is lesson number 3 supporting talent. Learner's book pages 10 and 11, activity book pages 8 and 9. Students will read the text Story of Tom Daley, how he won the bronze medal at the 2012 London Olympics on page 11 Learner's book. As you can see, there is the story on page 11 Learner's book. Parents will allow their child to read the passage on their own or they can be helped to read. Encourage loud reading, assisting where required. To encourage spoken skill, parents will ask their child what they have understood after reading the passage about Olympic Games and the success of Tom. This is page number 10. You can attempt the exercises taking the guide from this page. Read this passage completely. There are 4 paragraphs and you can underline the difficult words and find their meanings in the dictionary. This is the workbook page, page number 8. You can take guide from this page. Attempt page number 9 as follows. You can take help from your parents and from this page. Internet search, digital literacy. Students will search the basic information about Olympic sports. Find out from where and when it originated, how many games are played in it. You can find other things as well. Students will use internet under the strict supervision of their parents. Written work to be done on loose sheets. Digital literacy research work. Students will write a short paragraph of 35 to 45 words about the basic information about the origin of Olympic Games on the loose sheets with the help of internet research. There is going to be another paragraph writing. Written work, paragraph writing. Write down 2 paragraphs on my daily routine, about 60 to 80 words. You are going to write 2 paragraphs at least. If you want to write more, you can. Students to make a mind map, web diagram for ideas and seek help from it for doing the creative work. The mind map is given below for the help of parents and students. Let us see the mind map now. My daily routine. Number 1. Everyone has a daily routine. I also follow a. So you can write about your daily routine. This is from where the paragraph will start. Number 2. Daily routines make us systematic. You can tell that what are the advantages of having a daily routine. It increases productivity and saves time. Number 4. My daily routine is that I get up early in the morning. Then you can write whatever you do. You can offer namaz or you can directly do the breakfast. You can exercise. I do exercise, breakfast, school, homework, play, lunch, dinner, etc. You can tell these in detail. My daily routine includes healthy diet, exercise, etc. I keep a journal diary of my daily routine. You can tell number 7 that you keep a diary or journal of your daily routine. Number 8. This is how you are going to end the paragraphs. Following a daily routine is essential for everyone as it you can conclude the paragraph by writing few concluding advantages of the daily having a good daily routine. You can take help about learning vocabulary about these some sports vocabulary can be learned from these informative videos. I am also going to send these videos, a link of these videos on the WhatsApp group. You can have a look on that too. Make learning fun. Enjoy the following worksheets with your kids. Sports vocabulary worksheet puzzle. You can take a screenshot and enjoy this puzzle, and you can also get it printed. Games and sports. Sports vocabulary matching worksheet. Sports and games in English full list. Good luck and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.